Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel SE33 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and it is crucial we have to switch to the video one because the options are tightly connected with the mode we've got currently set. If you've got the red color inside the shutter button, for sure we are on the video mode. So then we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and here in this video section we've got the video size, which is the option we're looking for. As you can see, after tapping on it, we've got three different options, so FHD, HD and SD. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen option whilst recording the video. Of course it's up to you which option you want to use, but to be honest I highly recommend to keep this first option turned on as it is the best possible right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.